That was funny.
Hey, here we go. Locked. Guess we're gonna have to sneak in.
Discreetly.
Implied by the use of the word sneak. So.
I just wrecked those baskets today. Oh, frick.
The window over there is broken.
Hey, Sully. Think we can squeeze through here?
That'll work. Jesus. Long way down.
You okay back there?
You keep your pace, I'll keep mine.
Yeah, at least you got a great view, right? Okay, let's see what we got. Edward England's sigil, just like the map said.
So what are we looking for?
Good question.
This is a very tall clock tower.
Yes. Yes, it is. Now, what do you bet?
Scorpion? Guy with a large pitcher?
The Zodiac symbols. Look, there's Leo.
Ah, Taurus.
4 signs.
4 bells, way up there. And these things in the middle of the floor look like locks.
Got it. Let's go ring some bells. This is definitely the place. Call Sam.
On it.
Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, Taurus.
Voicemail. Hey, Sam. Looks like we're at the right tower. Call us. They don't have the best coverage in this city.
Well, no reason to wait. I'll be right back. Oh boy! I'll be damned. Check it out, Sully. The clock still works.
Yeah, I noticed. Try not to get tangled in those gears up there.
You bet.
Okay. This is the wrong way, I think. Or it isn't the wrong way. You're just facing me towards this. And then this is facing me towards this. So I want to get up here. It's facing me towards this. And I don't know what to frickin' do, man. Okay, maybe can I grab onto that? Nope. It's very dumb when you can clearly grab onto something, but it just doesn't want to be grabbed onto. I don't know what the frick to do, Brett. Bree. Brett. Bree. And it's face me towards that way. I don't know. Oh no, man. I can't drop, I'll die. There we go. Okay. Oh! Almost died there.
It's too close. You okay?
Oh, it all broke. Okay.
Okay, watch your fingers, Nate.
Should I be nervous?
No, good. Trust me.
Everybody heard that?
Leo. I dated a Leo once. Okay, that is really loud.
That one didn't work, Nate.
It says statues appeared in this order: Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo, and Taurus. At rhymes. Okay. Whew. Almost got my fingers crushed a couple times. Really? Okay, get on. Okay. Scorpio. Yep, that's right.
Scorpio. And Avery was
Don't give me a hint. I know what I'm doing. Moderate is normal, right?
Jake, that did the trick. The Scorpio lock just released.
Okay, moving on to the next one. Feeling a little nauseous here. Okay, got it. Hey, Sully, any word from Sam? Yeah, she's probably fine.
Aquarius. Nope. This is Aquarius. Yeah. Okay.
Queries? Always nice people. Let's see here.
Leo and okay. What? How did that kill me?
Let's see here.
Jeez, okay. I need Leo. Whatever. Okay.
Leo. I think that Leo was.
You said that already.
Okay, that is really loud.
Leo is unlocked.
Okay, one left.
The bull. Just all the way up at the top.
Feeling a little nauseous here.
You said that already.
Okay.
You said that already.
Hey, Sully, any word from Sam?
You said that already.
Yeah, he's probably fine.
You said that already.
Just forgot to charge his phone.
I need Taurus, okay.
Taurus. Worst.
Hey, that did it. Doris is unlocked and Avery's sigil just appeared on the floor. Damn. That's it.
that big bell at the top. Hold on. Head on up.
Cool. Heh. Oh, frick.
That was fun. This is a nice view.
Okay, well that's useless then.
There we go. Turn back time. Right.
Oh. Okay, I got it now.
No. Sure hope you're doing okay out there, Sam.
Wow. Boom.
Okay, Sully, I made it. This is gonna be loud. Sully, heads up! Sorry, handle broke. I'm gonna have to ring it myself. Here we go.
Oh.
Okay, go, climb. Gotta get up. Holy shit.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Sally. Oh, shit. At least I got the door open, though, huh?
Yeah, that's one way to do it. You all right?
Hey.
Yeah. Hey, look. The coin. You want it?
Yeah, sure, why not? Let's see what's down here.
Fingers crossed for piles of gold and jewels. Sam, finally, you okay?
You searched my town. I got nothing.
Yeah? No. We're definitely in the right place. Make your way over here.
Are you serious? Okay, I'll go away.
He's coming.
Good. Sully.
Way ahead of you.
Another puzzle.
Hey, are those our boys?
Yep. Henry Avery, Thomas too. Partners in crime. Founders. Founders of what?
Worst scavenger hunt ever?
There are Avery and 2 sigils. These are a little different, though.
Yeah. They got those star patterns on them.
They turn. But which way are they supposed to go?
I can't exit out of this. Oh, okay. Oh, the stars fit together.
Okay. Should we go look?
Yeah, just a second.
More pirate symbols.
Adam Baldridge, Anne Bonny, and Christopher Condit. I mean, there's too many permutations.
I say we see where that door leads. Still hoping for some treasure, yeah?
You and me both. Hey, look, I was right. Baldridge, Bonny, and Condit.
Splendid. But why are they here in the first place?
Well, let's find out. Wow, that mustache. It's almost as impressive as yours.
It's all right.
Look at these stars. They're just like the ones on the Avery and 2 sigils in the other room.
Yeah, you're right.
That's right. Condit went by Billy One Hand. Guess he had one made. Here's another one of those star patterns.
Yeah, but this one's different than that first one.
Oh, yeah. Good catch.
Thank you. See, I'm not just a pretty face.
Huh. Thought he was a redhead.
Yeah. What do you think?
It was Avery and two sigils. The stars on those lined up, remember? But these line up too.
Hmm.
That's how it goes. Okay. Okay. So the two people and the horse are standing on top of each other. So like that. Oh.
And another doorway.
Yeah.
Hold on a
So-
second.
Who are these guys?
That's, they are,
You don't know, do you?
hey, there were a lot of pirates out there, you know?
So we're stuck.
No, I'm not stuck, but give me your phone.
What, you're gonna phone a friend?
Close. Text a brother.
Okay, let's continue.
There.
You know, these are actually some nice paintings. If we don't find the treasure, maybe we could sell them to a museum.
Let's find those star patterns.
Okay, just saying.
William Mays.
American?
Yeah, from Rhode Island. Just like Thomas, too. Here we go. Hey, you still in the tower?
Yeah, just climb back down. What's with the
Oh my god, my
pictures?
controller was vibrating
For now,
instead
just
of the
tell me
phone.
who's who.
Well, the dolphins are Richard Watt, the trident is Joseph Farrell, and the two hands with the pearl is William Mays.
All right, great. Just stay where there's good reception. I might need your help again.
Nathan, did you find the treasure?
Not yet, but I got a mechanism to solve here. I'll let you know.
Books, globe. This one guy looks like a scholar.
Hey, Richard Watt. He was the captain of the Dolphin.
Whew. Looks like he and Baldridge were in a best wig competition.
Hey, Sully, give me a hand.
You got it.
Thanks. Is it straight?
Who the hell cares?
Well, I care.
God, look at Farrell's face. Looks like he'd rather be anywhere else.
I don't know where it is.
Nada. Nah.
Oh, wait.
Hmm. Nah. Nada. Nah. Nah.
Oh, I saw a square there.
Nada.
Oh, there it is.
There.
Oh, geez, this one's hard. Like that, okay. So, the black dragon fish thing on the right, and then the pitchfork pointing to the dragon, and then the hands are down. Okay. There we go. More, really?
Okay. So who do we have here?
Uh,
You know, I'm honestly shocked you don't know this stuff.
no, I do. I just want to make sure Sam knows. Yeah, because he likes to feel useful, that's all.
Uh-huh. Of course.
Oh, God. Someone...
Shit. What happened here?
A torch probably fell or something. Come on, let's see what's left. I don't recognize this guy.
Looks a lot younger than the other pirates.
That's one.
Except it's diagonal.
Oh, Sam texted me back.
Right to
See that,
left
fella?
to right.
Turns out Sam doesn't know everything either.
Floating is unseemly.
Yeah, I know. Let's just look at the paintings.
Edward England, Iraq bin Malik, Tariq bin Malik, Yazid al-Basra. I've never seen the monkey sigil before. Reply. Okay. Okay.
Huh. No name. This guy's getup looks Moorish. Huh. Yazid al-Basra.
Looks Indian.
Close. Muggle.
Wait, not the Muggles, the ones Avery robbed?
Honor among thieves.
Yeah, like that's ever the case.
Oh, it's on his
That's
scarf.
3. Edward England.
Stout little fella.
And 4. All right, I got the names of 2 of them. You should still be able to figure this out.
Oh. I gotta go see. Oh wait, I'm in the wrong room. Okay, so England, Malik, and then the Malik. And can I see my phone again? No, I guess. Obviously, the monkey would be one of these. Was one without a name. I don't know. England. I don't know how the frick I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, put away. Inspect item. Okay, I don't know. No, frick. No! Inspect the frickin' item! Thank you. Put it away! Thank you. Okay. Pit. This, okay. Okay, and then I'll get this one. Put it. Frick, dude. Backwards. This has to go over here because this has one with 4 things on it, and that also has 4 things on it, so that's okay, I got it. Okay. Okay. The scale is upside down, and the scale is upside down. The scale and the monkey are upside down, and the snake and the tiger are on their sides. Scale and the monkey are upside down, and the snake and the tiger. Okay, the snake is facing. Yeah, the snake is laying down facing the ceiling. I think, I don't know. Okay, the tiger's facing the ground, and I just need to see. Yes, son.
What do we got?
I'm not sure yet.
Maybe send it to Sam?
Really?
Hey, you're the one who said he's the pirate expert. Just saying.
Okay, that's one. And two. Last one. All right, let's see what he makes of him.
You know, that kind of looks on. What are you doing? You just took pictures.
Hold on.
Oh.
Average recruits wouldn't have had smartphones, obviously.
Obviously.
So this would have been the only way for them to get to the next clue.
These are clues.
Let me see. Voila.
Oh, all right. These could be trade winds. Yeah, and these look like latitudes. And so I would guess that we are packing our bags again, Boyle. What?
Pro Deus called Licencia. Oh, it can't be.
Can't be what?
Oh, that's so obvious.
Nate.
Why didn't I see this before?
Jesus, enough of the beautiful mind shit. What the hell are you talking
Just
about?
hang on. Sam, did you get the photos?
Here I am, calling what I thought was Sullivan's phone, and look who picks up. How you been, Nate?
Hey, Rafe. Been a long time. How'd you get this number? Sullivan leave it on a cocktail napkin?
I wish. That only would have cost me a few shots of rum, right? No, I had to pay top dollar to find you guys.
Yeah. I hope you didn't spend too much on this whole Avery thing. I hear the competition's fierce.
Yeah, you pulled off some clever moves there. But in the end, all that matters is who gets to Avery's treasure first.
Well, that sounds like a bet.
Hey, Nate, you know I'm always game, but my partner, well, she prefers to mitigate unnecessary risks.
Wow. Rafe Adler, taking orders from somebody else. Oh, how times have changed.
Look, Nate, I'm gonna make you a one-time offer here. You drop everything. Go home, live your life. I'm willing to forgive and forget. For old time's sake. As tempting as that sounds,
I gotta say, I'm not normally the kind of guy who likes to quit while he's ahead.
Okay. Proteus quote sent you. Forgotten liberty. These are nice pictures, Nate. Good composition.
You hacked our phones.
You stole my cross. Listen, Nate. If you're half as smart as you think you are, you'll accept my offer. What's it gonna be?
Listen, as nice as it's been to catch up with you, I really gotta take this call, so.
Nate, one more thing. Nate!
What?
You do realize that your phones are equipped with GPS, right? I'll see you soon, buddy.
Shit.
Let me guess. Goons with guns on their way here now.
Sam, for God and liberty. Nathan, do you understand what this means?
Sam, listen to me.
Get off the streets right now and destroy your phone.
What's going on?
Great.